Kapinay, maghimay tayo ng patani. Ito, dami patani. Ang gaganda ng patani, oh. Pink patani, purple patani ba to? This is, we call this pinto beans. Patani, himayin natin kasi lulutuin natin ito bukas. Ilalagay ko sa pinakbet. Sarap ito, Kapinay. Ayan, oh. Ang pretty. Ayan, oh. Ang gaganda, oh. Ang gaganda ng aking patani. Do, himay, patani. Ayan. Ang ganda, eh. Look at it. Preskong patani. Ang lalaki. It looks like a kidney bean also. Pero iba pa yung kidney bean. Yung patani natin yan, yung flat, eh. Wala akong makita rito na pataning ganyan. So, this is what we gonna do. We gonna remove the seeds from the pods. Ayan na, Kapinay. Tapos na ang ating paghimay ng pataning maganda. Good. Alright, luto tayo bukas. Now, Kapinay, maghimay tayo ng ating isahog sa pinakbet na malunggay. Ito ay yung pritong daing. Masarap na ulam pero maalat. Kaya hinugasan ko muna. Kaya sasahog natin doon sa pinakbet nating malunggay with patani. Talagang dinding gagawin natin. Ayan. Alisin yung tinik. Nag-ulam ako, natinik ako sa gums. My gosh. Alisin natin yung tinik. Yan, ganyan lang, oh. Alisin yung mga balat. Like this. Pampalasa lang. Gusto ko yung lasa ng malunggay. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Tinik ko. Oh. Saka meron akong biniling yung boneless bangos. Unseasoned. Prinito ko rin. Kaso mayroong balat. What is this? Is kaliskis. Ayaw ko yan ng kaliskis. Ayaw kong kumain ng kaliskis. Kaya alisin natin. Paghalo-haloin natin. Yan o. Ganyan. Paghalo-haloin natin. Ayaw kong kumain ng kaliskis. Ito yung buntot ng bangos na may kaliskis. Ayan, alisin natin. Prinito ko ito nung isang araw. At isahog natin sa ating malunggay and patani pinakbit in a brown. Yun. Oh, wala nang kaliskis, Kapinay. Ito ang ating konting sahog, Kapinay. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Pampalasa lang. Tipid sa sahog, Kapinay. Okay, Kapinay, I think we are ready to cook our malunggay pinakbet. Lalagyan din natin ng a little bit of eggplant and okra. I boiled frozen tomatoes from the garden from last year. I'm trying to use it all because it's planting season again and we will have a lot. Boiled tomatoes, yellow and red tomatoes, Kapinay, with onions. Okay? So, since our ingredients are ready, so let's cook. Let's cook, Kapinay. Nag-iwan ako ng kunting sauce dito para parang bed ng ating vegetables. Okay, first, we have to put some of our patani kasi mas matagal lutuin. I'm not gonna put it all kasi masyadong marami. So, I'll just put half of it. Yan. Okay, I'll save some of this for the next cooking. Let's mix. And then we will put our frozen malunggay. Meron ding fresh dito sa Amerika pero ito na lang ginawa ko para hindi na ako maghimay. Since our malunggay is frozen, magtutubig yan. It contains water, so that would be our juice while cooking it. Dami niyan, Kapinay. Sarap kayang bunga ng malunggay, di ba? Now, we will put our sahog. Yan, sahog natin. Yung ulo ng bangos, andyan na, kalahati nga lang. Okay, dyan. And then, we will put our ginger because our sahog is fish to remove the fishiness. And now we have to put our tomato sauce. Okay? Ayan. Bed and over tomato sauce. Ayan. Magtutubig yan. And then we're gonna put some salt. Mamaya na yung bagoong pag kumulo na yung ating gulay. Okay? Ayan. Dumikit na. Ayan. Tapos na yan. So, ilagay na natin sa kalan. We're gonna put it on the range. Ilalagay natin ito pag malapit ng maluto ang ating malunggay. Okay. Let's cook. Lagay natin sa kalan. Alright. Ang ganda, no? Ayan, kapinay. Andyan na ang ating kaldero. Then, cover it and let it boil. At balikan natin. Okay? Alright. Okay, kapinay. Kumukulo na ang ating malunggay. So, lagyan na natin ng bagoong para maluto ang ating bagoong, kapinay. Ito ang ating pampaalat. Yan, para maluto ang ating bagoong para hindi malansa. Ayan. So, ating haluin. Halo-halo pa more. Para malasa. Para maikalat ba yun ang tawag? Para may halo ang ating lasa ng bagoong sa ating gulay. Sarap. Bango. Bango, kapinay. Ayan. Sarap yan, kapinay. Ayan, o. Tignan nyo, nagtubig na yan. O, see? Masarap yan. Yan, ang masarap na gulay. Masarap na. What is digo? Sabaw. Ito ang masarap na sabaw. Ayan, no? Ganda ng ating patani. Sarap. Yummy, yum, yum. Lulutin muna natin. At tikman natin yung alat mamaya. Okay, kapinay, let's check our pinakbit. Ayan. Luto na. It looks like naluto na. So, we'll check our beans. Luto na yung ating malunggay. Sa itsura lang. It's good. It's good, kapinay. Lagyan natin konti ng patis. Patis, patis. For umami taste. Pinakbot naman yan eh, isda. Yan. Pwede na rin natin ilagay yung ating talong. Yan natin ang talong. Pamparami rin yan. Okay. Lagay na rin natin ating okra. Walang ampalayang, kapinay. Tapos, kapinay style, damihan natin ng bawang. Korean influence. Garlic. Takpan. Okay, kapinay. Let's check again. Yan. Masarap na siya, masarap na siya. Ito na yan. Pailalim natin. Do not, yung garlic, if it's not overcooked, it's sweet. Matamis. Luto na yan, kapinay. Sarap na yan. Sama na yan. Oh. Tipid sa sahog. Aha. Yun. Sarap. Sarapation, sarapation. Yung okra, mas maganda kung hindi masyadong half cook only, so it would not be so slimy. But my pot is still, so it would really overcook it. Anyhow, it's alright. Ready. Yan, tikman nga natin yung alat. Sarap. Patani. Patani pinakbet. Tama lang. Okay, alam nyo naman na si Kapinay gusto ng green onion. Pangpasarap. So, let's put green onions. Doesn't hurt. Vegetables is vegetables. They say green onion is good for the heart. So, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Yan. Ayos. Right. 2 minutes. Then, we are done, Kapinay. Okay. Kapinay, let's check for the final touch. Piano. Piano. Yan, oh. Yan, oh. Yan, ayos na yan, Kapinay. Luto na yan. Kasi mainit yung kalan, lulutuin pa muli ang ating gulay. So, it will not be overcooked. Ayan, sarap, Kapinay, oh. Green onion. Magluto muna tayo ng mani. Pang merienda, then we eat lunch. Okay? Alright. Okay, Kapinay. Let's cook mani. Adobong mani tawag natin dito eh. So, let's cook mani, Kapinay. Yan, pwede na yan. O, dagdagan pa natin. Yun. Peanut. Raw peanut, binili ko kahapon. They don't have a small package, so I just bought the big one. Maybe we could cut it in half. Alright, we cook it in half. And I'm gonna put a lot of garlic, Kapinay. Garlicky peanut adobo. One of my friends gave me a peanut before from the Philippines. Pasalubong sa kanya, and the peanut has dilis. So we're gonna put dilis also. This is already fried dilis, small dilis from the Philippines. I think according to her, it's from uso sa Lumiba, Vizcaya, yung nilalagyan ng peanut. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I think. Okay, so we're gonna wait for our oil to be hot, and then we put our garlic, and then our peanut, little salt, and we could put Vexin or accent, but that is optional. Okay? Alright. Pwede na lagay yan because when we're gonna put our peanut, the garlic would continue to cook. Yan. If you want your peanut spicy, you could add peanut chili oil. I'm not very fan of the spicy food, so I'm not gonna do that. And garlic for more. Have you tried peanut adobo with dilis? I was gonna say delis. Dilis and peanut. Parang yung naangasin mo, yung dilis. But if I cook dilis, most of the time, I wash it first to clean it up, remove the dust or whatever is in there. Okay, so I wash my dilis before cooking. Kasi yan, naka-expose sa elements coming from the Philippines, di ba? Okay. I think our oil is already hot. Obviously, so we're gonna put our peanut kapinay. Our garlic would continuously cook while we're cooking our peanut also. Yan, ang dami. Okay, I think about it. Peanut, use this for the real authentic kare-kare, hindi yung peanut butter na nasa jar. Yan. Like 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, luto na yan. Yung ipag ko, nilalagay lang niya sa sa microwave yung mani. Kaya ko naman old school. If you notice it, Kapinay loves garlic. Para yung mga aswang ay lumayo-layo dyan. Kaya kung alam nyong merong aswang dyan na ali-aligid sa inyo, kumain kayo ng garlic o kaya budburan nyo ng bawang para umalis sila kasi sisip-sipin ng dugo nyo yung mga yan. Kaya yung bawang, pampalayo, antay manananggal. I also have a fried garlic already. See? Wow, bawang from the Philippines. Ayan. Garlicky good. Pwede natin idagdag mamaya. Okay, lutin natin yung ating mani. Pwede na itong lagyan ng asin, no? Yung iba, they put the salt at the end after cooking it. Diba? Kunti lang. Hindi naman masarap ang mani na maalat. If you don't like fresh garlic in your mani, you could put the garlic powder. But you put that on the end kasi yung garlic powder madaling maluto. Para hindi pumait yung inyong garlic mani. This is old style cooking of mani. Mani, kayo diriya, bili na kayo ng mani. Yan, no? Cooking mani. Keep on stirring, Kapinay, so it will not be burned. Pahinaan natin konti ng apoy, masyadong malakas. Yan, hinay-hinay lang. Luto na ba ang ating mani? See, look at our garlic. It's becoming brown now. Kasi mainit yung mani. It's hot. And now it's what gonna do, Kapinay? Let's put our dilis. Dilis and mani. Yan. Dilis and mani. Yung mani, lagyan ng isda. Yun. Mainitski yan. Mainitski. Yun. Have you tried this before? Meron bang nabibili dyan sa Manila, sa Kamiling, kung saan-saan? Imbento, dilis at saka mani. Pag nagsangag ka nga naman ng dilis, ilagyan mo na ng mani. Sayang din yung mantika. Okay, Kapinay. Yun. Kaya lagay ko yung garlicky na ano. Ayan o, hindi pa bukas. Lagyan na lang natin. I don't know, sometimes I just buy stuff. And I didn't really lose that much. O, ayan o. Lagay na nga. Ayan o. Para matapos na siya. Yung mani naging bumaba. Nag-amoy delis. Nag-amoy dilis. Yun. Oh. Yan, luto na yung kapinay. It's already dark brown, so it's already cooked. Okay, kapinay. This is our mani. Amoy isda na ang ating mani. Dilis, mani with dilis, kapinay. Mani with dilis. Nag-amoy isda ang ating mani. Okay, alright. Kaya na tayo yung ating pinakbit. This would be our snack. Turn off the heat. Done! Isalin natin yung mani dito. I put paper towel to absorb the oil. Para hindi mababad yung ating mani sa oil. Yan ah. There you go. Lagay natin dito para matakpan. Para hindi mababad ang ating mani sa oil. Gordon Ramsay, I'm using your hex cloth. Baka naman. Come cook with me. With Filipino food using the hex cloth, Gordon Ramsay. So I will be famous like you. Sana all would be nice, right? Beijing, Gordon Ramsay. So you have a restaurant in the Philippines. Maybe I could go there when I visit Philippines soon. Hope to see you in the Philippines. Alright, kapinay, here's our peanut. Yan, tamang-tama, oh. Mainit yung ano, pot. Sa gilid, oh, ang init. Okay, sarap yan. The peanut will be crispy when it's already cool. Yan, oh. Peanut mani with dilis. Right, kapinay, kain na tayo. Ito na yung ating pinakbet na malunggay with patani. Yan, oh, sarap. Ito yung ating patani, kapinay. Sarap. Tamis nung talong, ah. Oopsie. Yan, oh, patani. Itong malunggay, I call it Filipino artichoke kasi you have to open this. Ewan ko kung sa Pilipinas ay meron ng artichoke. I call them malunggay Filipino artichoke. You have to scrape it and eat it. Like this. Yun. Ganyan. Pwede rin. Merong artichoke, kapinay, di sa do it, parang bulak-bulak, but it's a leaf. Ayan, pagkanay mo ang galanyam. Ilagay sa let that thick, scrape it. Yun. Ganyan ang kumain ng malunggay. Yun. Pero pag damad kang magkamay, you do like this. Open it and scrape it with your spoon. Ganyan, no? Yum. Yan. Mag-alunos tayo, kapinay. Yun, let's eat. Trinanya, masarap. I also have my iced coffee. For the purpose of closing this video, let's taste my peanut with dilis. Yan, oh. Peanut with dilis, kapinay. Yun. Yan yung dilis. Mainit pa. Still hot. Sarap. So, try the peanut with dilis, kapinay. It's good. Pag nagsahog na kayo ng dilis, ilagay nyo na rin yung mani. This is our cooking for today. Enjoy your cooking, kapinays!